What's going on, guys? It's your boy Joey. Now today I'm going to be giving you 3 tips on how I was able to improve my posture. I have been probably in the same shoes that you are in and have really bad posture all the time, especially when sitting down at your desk. Especially for me, some guy that's 6'4", every desk that I sit at is super low, so I always have to hunch over and my neck is always looking down. But I have figured out a few different tactics to help me improve my posture, which all around is just a very healthy habit. And it's also gotten rid of some of the lower back pains that I used to have. So let's jump into the first exercise, which all you need is yourself and a wall. So what you want to do is back up against the wall as far as you can, put your heels up against the wall, both heels up against the wall, butt pressed against the wall, roll your shoulders back until they hit the wall, put your head up until they hit the wall. So essentially what you want is your entire body to be aligned perfectly straight with the wall that you are standing against. Now this is going to help you get that kind of mental image and that physical posture of what it's supposed to feel like and look like when you have perfectly straight posture. So this one's super easy. You can practice literally anywhere at any time unless you don't have legs and you can't stand up, in which case, I'm sorry, bro. Alright boys, now the second tip that I have for you after you have tried and tested the wall exercise, so you know mentally and physically how you're supposed to stand with your body straight up and down, you're not going to be standing against the wall your entire life. So when you're not against the wall, this is my second solution to help you when you're at your desk, when you're out and about, when you're walking, or when you're just sitting at home, okay? You don't even have to think about this, but this is a product. Now, full disclosure, I do sell products online. I do have an e-commerce brand. This is one of my products, and I'm just giving you that disclosure right now so you don't freak out about, finding out that it's my product. I would not have sourced this product from China if I did not believe that it was actually a useful product. What the product is, it is a posture corrector. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down in the description. You don't have to buy this if you don't want to, but I'm just telling you right now, you're not even gonna have to think about it and your posture is gonna be perfect. So let me just give you a brief little example on how to use it, okay? You just throw it on like a backpack. Easy, easy peasy. There's a couple of pads right here so that you don't, and I made sure that when I was sourcing this product to make it as efficient and great as possible, because I see some of those other e-commerce products on there and they're like very similar, but they just suck. In all honesty, I am biased, but this is the best product out there right now. Make sure that your little pads right here, wherever you have tightness, if the strap gets too tight, but then what you want to do is just pull these little straps just like backpack, okay? Pull it down, tighten it, and it pulls your shoulders back, okay? I literally have perfect, and if you want to loosen it up a little bit, you can loosen it up, but I have perfect posture right now and I'm not even thinking about it. Definitely check this out, and you can wear this wherever you want. Also, there's a benefit to this as well. You can wear it under your clothes. If you wear it against your skin, I would actually recommend that. Now, definitely make sure that when you're wearing this that you wash it maybe once or twice a week, because you don't want to have a stinky posture corrector. But this is an amazing product, as you can wear it under your shirt if you want to go to work or if you want to go anywhere and just have perfect posture without thinking about it. Now, let's jump into tip number 3. The last tip that I have for you guys when you're not standing against a wall or when you're not out and about living life and you don't want to think about how you can correct your posture with the posture corrector, you have to realize that what do we do 1/3 of our entire life? Sleep. So when you are sleeping, you want to make sure that you can sleep in a position that is optimal for correcting your posture. Now, this is what I would recommend while you're sleeping, so that when you wake up in the morning, your spine's not all jacked up. Sleep on your back, okay? You may be very uncomfortable sleeping on your back. I know a lot of people are, but trust me, you get used to it. When I had 2 ACL surgeries, I could not sleep in any position except my back, with this big old brace wrapped around my leg for at least a month after each surgery. You do get used to it, and it is very good for your spine. Think about it. When you are laying in bed for 8 hours, or some of you maybe 9 or 10 or 11 hours out of your day, 1/3 of your day is spent literally laying in one position. So make sure that you are laying that position that's optimal for your spine. Now, the other position I would recommend, if you are not sleeping on your back, I would recommend to go back and forth. Sleep on your stomach with your hands by your side, not up here, or else you're gonna jack up your shoulders, with a pillow tucked under your lower abs, just above the pelvic area of your, man space. What this is gonna do is it's going to pad the lower back a little bit, because when you're sitting or standing. A lot of you guys probably have really bad posture during the day, which can cause lower back pain. Position laying on your stomach personally has helped get rid of a lot of back pain for me. With that being said, I hope you guys have an awesome night's sleep tonight, and maybe want to check out my product or just want to support me and buy one for Christmas, because Christmas is coming up. As always, I hope you guys took something away from this video. Drop a like if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. New videos every single day at 5 o'clock p.m. PST. Make sure to come back for tomorrow's video. As always, guys, have a fantastic rest of your day. Peace.